All right, another status update. Now we've done a whole bunch of electrical wiring, and let me turn the camera around. I'll show you. This is pretty cool. All right, turn around. So it's not obvious, but I move over here, and you see up there in the ceiling. So you see, what is that? Orange, black, orange. So we just put in all new wiring. Comes down. This is going to be a box. There's a box where it feeds in from the main, and then it goes all the way over to this other room where we put in a new circuit box on the wall, which you can't see over there. There's a bunch of stuff going on, but in other words, let me show you, just cross the room. So every about 6 feet in the bottom, we have an electrical outlet there. That one's sitting right about there. There's another one sitting right about there. There's another one sitting at the end. Then we put some electrical at the top so that wall signs like neon lights, logo lights can be up here, because this is going to be a YouTube studio. I'll turn around this way. There's a box here so that he can put a big screen monitor here, and then across the room there's another box, so a big screen monitor can be back, and there's 4 outlets there, and then there's outlets right in the upper corner right over there. So there's a boatload. There's just excessive electrical that has been run in multiple circuits. There's 7 circuits. If you have questions, throw them down in the comments below. But this is going to be that window comes out next in a little while, and the door will get replaced, and we have some nice weatherproof window there that'll cut the noise coming in there. So this will be a really killer studio for doing YouTube stuff. So, okay, another status report here, making some good progress. All the electricals in. Let me turn the camera around so you can see, but this is pretty good. We've taken, and this window, today is a big day to get the old window tore out. The new window's been roughed in. There's still some final finish stuff that needs to be done, but this is a much, much higher efficiency window, which will block tons of sound. Not perfect. Now this is, remember, a YouTube studio. If this were a voiceover studio, I'd be doing it slightly different, but for a YouTube studio, this can be fantastic. And then we've got electrical through everything, and we've finalized all sorts of electrical things. This window and the other side's been stuccoed over, the first coat of that. So this is being plugged up so it won't have anything. And then electrical all over the place. It's been running the walls, and you won't see it. It's one of these things where when you do all this work, when it's done right, it looks real easy, like there's not a whole lot that's been done. But there's just electrical run all over the place, including we've got some things in the ceilings, we've got lights, we've got everything's all plumbed in, all the details. This whole thing was all tore up. We had to reframe below. The old window was smaller. We enlarged the window to give a little more light in the room, which is good for filming, but it's also a much, much higher quality window. So hope you're enjoying this. If you have questions, comments, throw them down below. And of course, we'll see you in the next one. You have a great one. Talk to you later. Bye.